everyone is with our treasure home and just a little quick dinner. There we go. It's not just gonna be a short. So what I did, we had a roasted chicken and I cut that up and everything, and then had cabbage and I just sliced it up to where like it's still being round size type. And I used this little thing right here, like I use with my dessert. So I'm going to show you. Yeah, see? Christmas tree still up. So I heated the chicken up first. Then I cooked the cabbage. Oh yes, I love cabbage. I'm going to make some slaw too. But here's a little trick. Everybody have seen it probably. You take your number 10 can or a big bottle of mustard and you don't use the whole thing. Well, you can recan that. And that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to, I love mustard, and just put a little bit on my chicken. And there you go. And I had butter on the cabbage, but it all melted. Oh, look good. Oh my goodness. There we go. This is how much I love mustard. Since I was a kid. I think I've mentioned that before. In kindergarten, what do you want for lunch? I wanted a mustard and cheese sandwich. I ate that every day for kindergarten. And probably during the summer too. But I love mustard. So, there you go. That is dinner tonight. Just real quick and simple. It's, we got Cartoon Universe coming up. Y'all go check them out. Tomorrow, I'll be doing cooking with Robin at Cadan Mountain Mama Homestead. I'll put their links down below in this video. Come check and see what we're cooking tomorrow. 3:30 in the afternoon. There are a lot of lives going on, I know. But it's fun. And you can see so much. Yes, that's my hand. If y'all don't get sick, it's pretty good. If you don't want to see it, don't look. But it's healing really nicely. It's still a little tight, so I just gotta work it out. But other than that, it's doing good. So if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications so you know when we upload another video. And those are coming soon. You see a habit. See those habits? There you go. Y'all have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.